Hi everyone, I'm Simon Kirby from Inphinity and welcome to the November 2024 release of Inphinity Suite for Qlik Sense. In this release, we are getting all stylish with Inphinity Forms. We also showcase major new capabilities for the single record form and some fantastic improvements for Inphinity Forms developers. And that's just to name the three headline acts. So let's dive right in to cover these points and lots more. First, let's take a look at some of the new styling features we've added to Inphinity Forms. You can now apply different fonts, colours and styles to your forms, making it much easier to align your forms to the theme of your dashboard or app. For example, different fonts for your form title, underlines for your button labels, or even country dimensions represented as flags. We've also made it easier to perform batch updates to multiple columns in your form at the same time through the form pop-up feature. As you can see, when you tick the checkbox to approve the new values, the records are locked to prevent further changes. Next, let's take a look at a fantastic new capability we've introduced to the single record form. We've now made it much easier to design and lay out your form exactly as you want to see it. This is one single form consisting of multiple elements, and you can easily define the size of each element and where you want it to be on the form. You now have full control over design features such as the position of the label and the styling of the borders and corners. We've had great feedback from our customers and partners asking us to redesign the Forms property panel to make it easier to develop and update Forms objects. We've made it so the properties panel mirrors the flow of creating a form. You can now select your dimensions, define your measures, update the data storage, and create form fields all in super quick time. You can also apply the new styling options from here if needed. We've also incorporated a new slide out panel which provides much more room when working with and editing form fields. For all the Inphinity Forms administrators out there, we've made significant improvements to the Forms admin app. The layout is now more intuitive with better styling and labelling, plus the use of pop-ups and sections to make it easier to set up and manage your data storage instances. We've added a new test button, which is very useful, especially for connections to databases, to check whether you've defined the configuration correctly. Please note that a new Inphinity SaaS admin portal will be coming soon, and we wanted to let you know that we now run our Inphinity SaaS backend in both Europe and APAC, with the Americas coming on stream very soon. Next, let's jump over to Inphinity Flow, where we've made it easier to customize the look and feel of your flowcharts. It's now possible to create nodes without icons or change the text size by expression. In this example, the lower levels of the hierarchy have smaller font size. As you can also see, it's possible to show or hide the sub-hierarchy in your flowcharts. Now, this is not a new feature, but our customers keep asking us if this is possible, so we thought we'd share it with you in this video. Enjoy. Although there are no updates to our Infinity Mole software, we wanted to remind you that you can find inspiration on our redesigned Infinity Universe demo portal. We have 30 demos for you to try and find the inspiration for your use case, some of which also include Infinity Mole. Last but not least, we're very proud to announce the release of our new Infinity Forms documentation site, which marks a significant improvement over the old one. The new site is now much easier to navigate by function or deployment type. It has very helpful step-by-step guides on how to achieve specific tasks and a number of interactive elements, including links to videos or more detailed help. We'd love to get your feedback on the new site, so please let us know your thoughts. So that's everything for this release. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and if you want more information on these features and much more, please check out our new release blog by our Chief Product Officer, Maria Oreska. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.